Absolutely, they bring such energy and enthusiasm. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are at Panag-uban sa USM, a welcome convocation. Seeing so many new and eager minds ready to engage and contribute is fantastic. An amazing start and a warm welcome to all of you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a heartfelt tradition among us Filipinos that we welcome each other with recognition and dedication. This year's Panag-uban sa USM, a welcome convocation, is dedicated to the school year 2024 to 2025.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us all witness the processional. Starting with the members of USM Administrative Council.
Please all rise.
Requesting everyone to please rise. Ladies and gentlemen, our four vice presidents. Ladies and gentlemen, our board of regents and our university president, Dr. Francisco Hel-In Garcia.
Remain standing for the entrance of colors, to be followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem, to be rendered by the Coro Bulawan, the Muslim prayer by Kelly Uday, the IPRI prayer by Nurhani Talutawan, and the Christian prayer to be offered by James Brian Balonda.
And to be followed by the singing of the Bagong Pilipinas hymn, Cotabato hymn, and Kabakan hymn by Coro Bulawan. Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of colors.
Magiliw, pero sa silanganan, alam ng puso, sa dati mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, tulad ka ng magiting, sa manlulupi, di ka pasisili. Sa dagat at bundok, sa siway, sa langit mo bakaw, may dinatang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang isat ng matawat mo'y tagumpay na naglilimin, ang bituin na araw na kailan pamay di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
آمين رب العالمين بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين اللهم اغفر لنا ذنوبنا ولوالدي وارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا اللهم إني أسألك علما نافعا ورزقا طيبا وعملا متقبلا kadna nami Panginoon ampun kami ng kasadusa nami ampun ng sulukas nami endo igkalimun ng kasilan sa mana kinagkalimunilan sa kami Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Ad panganganikiyo, karanan tayo nga dakala ng tuong tenday ng bayno. Dumayno si kanami ito ang kay kadudulanin dandaw. Bayno si kanami ito mapian kadiditungan way kadlalawa. Karanan si ko kamatao ito ang kay kamapian na kaulanin dandaw. Idandiyo no si kanami ito maraat ng mga padidutungan. Dumayno si kanami taman tagkapupusinit at dudulaan. Idsarig day kay ikaw kalangon-langon na adbola ninipulungan suwarag kabalda yung biyawara ka. Idsarig day kanyan kay ikaw langon pasalamat at kanyan ta kay ikaw sa pulong salamat bakat maasi.
Let us bow down our heads and put ourselves in the presence of the Lord. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, Amen. Lord, thank you for bringing us together safely today. May you bless this event, O God, and be the foundation of our strength throughout the whole day. Grant us attentive ears and fixated minds to understand and absorb everything that will be tackled here today. Bestow upon us your wisdom so that we may live up to your name. Bless our families who loves and supports us. Guide us in our everyday battles so that we may be able to spread the glory of your name. May this event be a successful one and serve as a light on their path as they begin their college journey. All this we ask and pray to Jesus Christ our Lord. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Dakilang Cotabato kong mahal, lalawig ang tunay, kaakibat sa malaya at makabagong pagunlad. Lalawig ang malinis at maganda, sapagkat tayo'y nagkaisa sa mithin ng ating lipunan, patungo sa kaunlaran. O dakilang Cotabato kong mahal, may malawak na lupa at hardin ng Mindanao na may magandang tanawin. Tayo'y naging panalangin tungo sa ating karangalan. Tayo'y magsikap araw-araw patungo sa kaunlaran. Tayo'y magsikap araw-araw patungo sa kaunlaran. May bayan sa Hilatang Cotabato, ang mamayang layunin ay pagkakaisa, kapayapaan, kaunlaran, laging inaasam. Pagmamahal sa bayan, tunay na lubusan, nasa kapakanan ng lahat na kailangan, mayaman at malawak na palayan. Mga Muslim, Kristiyano at Luman, isa ang hinahangan. Pagbibigayan sa kapwa, kapakan kong mahal. Unlad, kabakan, dito sa kabakan, mapagmahal ang mamamayan. Bayan kong kabakan, bigay ng may kapal. Karunungan, tinataglay, likas na yaman may nakalanan. Ipaglalaban ang kaunlaran, kapag mong tinutuhan. Dapat mong malaman na kabakenyos ay nagkakaisa. Ipagmamalaki, ibinapalugay ang laging kabakenyos, sa'yo ko lang iaalay. Unlad, kabakan, dito sa kabakan, mapagmahal ang mamamayan. Bayan kong kabakan, bigay ng may kapal. Karunungan, tinataglay, likas na yaman may kapalanan. Ipaglalaban ang kaunlaran, kapag ako'y tinutubuan. Kabakan kong mahal, buhay naming taglay.
You may now take your seat. To set up the welcoming air, please help me welcome and give applause to our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Sir Marcos F. Mondrian, J.D.
Isang mapagpala at magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the General Convocation of the University. To our distinguished President, Francisco Gil Garcia, PhD. Good morning, sir. Our Vice Presidents present, our Deans and Directors, members of the Administrative Council, the faculty members, and to all our students present today, good morning and welcome. Today is your first day to explore the university, especially for all those first-year students. It is the time for you to be able to see yourselves as a new creator of your ideas and explore the possibilities of how you will grow in this university. And so, I am so glad that you are all present so that you will be introduced about the guidelines and policies and all other opportunities that beset you in this university. And so for all of you students, give yourself a round of applause for being present today. Because this welcome orientation is really intended for you to be able to see how great you are, that you belong to those students who aspire to be part of this university. And for all our faculty members present, this is also a reminder for all of us that the reason we are here today is that we are here to welcome also our students and be able to share our vision of learning for these students. And so muli, magandang umaga and welcome to the General Convocation Program.
Thank you so much, sir. It is indeed a time to explore and welcome our new students to share our vision. And a good air sets up a good mood. Am I right, Reynold?
Yes, Bea.
And I think this will help liven us even more. Let us give a hand and witness the University Modern Dance Troupe in their intermission number.
Gubat ay hindi lugar para sa mga bata. Madaling maligaw sa masukal na kagubatan. Ang usok at apoy ay hindi laruan. Pero sa mga batang ulila sa magulang, lahat ng ito kailangan kalimutan. Madalas silang makita sa kagubatan, nagbabanat ng buto, nagtatrabaho. Na kinuha ng mga bata ang bawat piraso ng uling, kaya bawat piraso mahalaga. gaano man kapagod ang kanilang mga katawan, hindi pwedeng bumitaw sa pangarap. Ay hindi para sa bata. Ang apoy at usok ay hindi laruan. Bawat bata may karapatan. Karapatang mag-aral, karapatang maglaro, karapatang mangarap, at maging bata.
Thank you so much, University Modern Dance Troupe. Now, let us give a resounding applause to our SUC President 4, Francisco Gil N. Garcia, PhD, and his message.
Hello. Hello. Isang mapagpalang umaga sa ating lahat, lalong-lalo na sa aking 4 na Vice Presidents. Ipapakilala sila mamaya. Pwedeng tumayo yung 4 na Vice Presidents. Yan po sila, si Dr. Sam Panday ng Resource Generation, si Professor Mark Monderin, si Dr. Debbie Bersosa ng Research, at si Aimel Stelioso ng Administration and Finance. Thank you, sir, sa pagtayo niyo. Pwede kayong tumayo hanggang matapos ang program. Sa aking members ng Administrative Council na nandito ngayon, mga dekano at mga directors ng different units na ipapakilala sa inyo isa-isa mamaya. Nandito rin po pala ang ating Board of Regents, Dr. Pimentel ng Faculty Association. Wala na? Wala na? Saan? Chancellor Pinsoy ng Kidapawan City Campus. Pwede kang tumayo, ma'am, dahil sa itim na damit mo, hindi ka makikita sa malayo. Yan po. Ang Dean po ng External Campus, Dr. Baladhay, nandyan ba? Ang Palma Campus, ang ating head ng campus, si Ayan Domingo Mlang. Meron tayong upcoming i-open din po sa Antipas. Ewan ko kung nandito yung mag-head. Wala. Sa ating mga freshmen, mga galing pa sa iba't ibang lugar ng Mindanao, kundi man ng buong Pilipinas, sa atin pong mga taga-ULS, no? Pakitayo nga, pakikaway-kaway dyan, taga-ULS. Freshmen din po yan sila, at sila po ang palaging bukang bibig ng ating komunidad dahil po sa kanila accomplishments. Sa ating mga faculty members, pakikaway-kaway naman dyan. Yan po ang inyong magigiting at magagaling na mga professors sa iba't ibang kurso na nandito ngayon. Sa ating mga bisita, kung meron man, sa ating mga security officers at sa lahat po sa inyo. Let me start my message with a biblical quote. Sabi ng ang Proverbs chapter 3, verse 5 to 6, "Trust in the Lord with all your hearts and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your paths straight." Kayo po na mga estudyante ay parte na po ng tinatawag ng mga taga-UP na ESCO, Scholar ng Bayan. Di ba? Scholar kayo ng bayan dahil po ang nagbabayad ng tuition ninyo maliban sa ULS, ang nagbabayad po ng tuition ninyo ay ang gobyerno, kaya kayo po ay mga isko at iska o scholar ng bayan. Palakpakan nyo inyong sarili. Alam nyo, mahigit 20,000, 20,000 students ang nagsikap, nagpakita ng pagnanais na sila ay matanggap dito sa ating pamantasan. Ngunit, hindi pinagpala po kayo, iilan lang po kayo. Part po kayo ng almost 3,000 plus na mga estudyante na freshmen na tananggap at nakapasa po sa ating mahirap na entrance exam. Palakpakan niyo sarili ninyo. Gusto kong i-congratulate kayo sa inyong milestone decision na ginawa. Sa pagpili po ninyo na mag-aral sa pamantasan na Katimugang Mindanao o University of Southern Mindanao, kayo po ay makakaasa ng ating mga guro, yung ating mga directors, yung ating mga dekano, ay tutulungan kayo upang ma-achieve ninyo ang inyong mga pinapangarap. Hindi ko sinasabi na madali. Hindi ko sinasabi na makapasa kayong lahat. Hindi ko sinasabi na kayong lahat ay makagraduate. Ngunit tulad aking sinasabi kanina, isubmit lang po natin sa ating Panginoon kung ano ating mga plano, kung ano ang inyong gusto. Tutulungan kayo na inyong guro na matuto, maging profesional tulad namin. Kami rin po ay galing din po sa mahirap na pamilya. Ako, ang tatay ko, lumipas na po siya, wala na po siya sa mundong ito. Isa pong nagtitinda lamang ng isda sa palengke at ang nanay ko ay galing lamang, nandyan lamang sa bahay, walang trabaho. Ngunit, dahil po sa pamantasan ng Katimugang Mindanao, karamihan ng nandito ngayon sa harapan ninyo ay nakatapos. Pero mas blessed kayo. Bakit kayo mas blessed? Libre ang tuition ninyo. Libre ang miscellaneous ninyo. Kayo, meron pa madami sa inyo na may scholarship at tinatawag na ayuda galing sa gobyerno. Ang akin lamang hiling, magtulungan kayo. Dapat mabuhay kayo sa pamantasang ito. Sabi nga na isang professor ko, ang pag-aaral sa University sa Southern Mindanao ay parang isang bulag na naghahanap ng isang maitim na pusa sa isang madilim na kwarto. Kung mag-iisa ka lamang, mahihirapan po kayo. Kaya kailangan marunong kayong makipagkilala sa inyong mga kasama. Make friends. You have your office for student affairs. Sana yung aking director? Wala dito sa harapan ko. Sana ba yun? Lida na sa kadako ni mo, di ka makitaan. Yan, ang ating office for student affairs. Kung meron kayong problema, huwag po kayong agad huminto. Meron po tayong tinatawag na student paid, University Student Assistantship Program. Ano yun? Doon sa mga estudyante na nahirapan na magkaroon ng allowance o wala pong medyo kinukulang sa pagkain, andyan po ang Office of Student Affairs. Ang tinatawag na University Student Assistantship ay magbibigay sa inyo ng allowance na 20 pesos per hour for 100 hours or 2,000 in a month sa isang buwan. Para po meron kayong pang-allowance, ngunit sana po huwag nyo ibilin ng load para ibigay sa inyong magiging kasintahan dyan. Maniwala kayo, yung katabi mo ngayon na lalaki o babae, yung lalaki kadamihan, na nagsasabi na I love you, send to me yan. At load mo, pera mo ang pinagpagamit niya para mapadala yung message na yan. Ang akin lamang, sana po, sa loob ng 4 na taon o 3 taon na inyong pagtira dito sa University of Southern Mindanao, matuto kayong gumawa ng kabutihan. Bawal din po sa ating pamantasan ang mga plastic bottles, plastic containers. Kaya lahat kayo kailangang merong water bottles. Sa inyo pong paglakbay dito sa pamantasan, may mga problema, boarding house, classmates, teachers, paki-approach lang po yung ating mga dekano. Tutulong po sila sa inyo. Ang akin lamang hiling sana sa inyo, sana po walang mag-drop out kasi dito po halos binigay na ng gobyerno ang tulong para sa inyo. Sana po sa loob ng 4 na taon na ginawa nating 3.5 sa ibang kurso. Simula sa taong ito, hindi na po 4 yung ibang kurso. Ginawa po nating 3 to 3.5. Ano yung mga kurso na yun? Yun ang explain ng ating Vice President for Academic Affairs. Sa inyong lahat, isang maligayang pagbati, welcome sa pamantasan ng Mindanao, Southern Mindanao, at sana po kayo, iska, 4 years from now, 3 years from now, isa na pong professional. Magandang umaga po sa lahat.
Thank you so much, USM President Dr. Francisco. To present and introduce our Board of Regents, Vice Presidents, and Office of the President, may we welcome Ma'am Jennifer E. Cinco.
To all the key officials of the university on stage, headed by the University President, Dr. Francisco Gil N. Garcia, to the faculty and staff, to the freshmen and continuing students in this auditorium, good morning to all of you. I have the honor to present to you the members of the highest governing body of the university. Their functions are the following. They oversee all major decisions concerning the administration of the university, including personal appointment, promotion, welfare and discipline, student welfare and discipline, fiscal matters, academic and physical development, linkages, and collaboration. So basically, they are the group of people who decide what happens and where the university will go. So these are the members. The board is composed of 11 members, headed by the chair. I am guessing they will show the pictures of the board members. The chair of the board is Commissioner Ronald L. Adamat of the Commission on Higher Education. The vice chairperson is the president of the university, Dr. Francisco Gil N. Garcia. The members are the chairperson of the Senate Committee on Higher and Technical and Vocational Education, Honorable Alan Peter S. Cayetano. The chairperson of the House Committee on Higher and Technical Education, Honorable Mark Ogo, represented by Congressman Maria Alana Samantha T. Santos. Next is the Regional Director of NEDA 12, Honorable Florita A. Ridao. Another member is the Regional Director of the Department of Science and Technology 12, Honorable Sami P. Malawan. Next is the President of the University of Southern Mindanao Faculty Association. He was earlier introduced, Honorable Jonald L. Pimentel. Another member is the President of the MIT USM Alumni Association, Dr. Paul John B. Ongkoy. Your representative to the board, the President of the University Student Government, Honorable Kenny Floyd F. Monteliha. And we have the newest members of the board, the private sector representatives. We have two. First, Honorable Jerry John M. Taray and Honorable Rene P. Villarico. Those, ladies and gentlemen, are the members of the governing board of the university. Next will be the formal introduction of the vice presidents of the university. We start with the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Professor Marcos F. Monderin. Please stand at the mention of your names. Followed by the Vice President for Research and Extension, Dr. Debbie Marie Versosa. The Vice President for Administration and Finance, Dr. Aimer Estilioso. And the Vice President for Resource Generation and Entrepreneurial Services, Dr. Samsudin Panday. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the 4 Vice Presidents. Thank you. The offices under the Office of the President. If you are around, please come in front for recognition. The University Public Relations and Information Office, Professor Vilma M. Santos. Dito po sa harap, artista po ang pangalan niya. Next is the Office of the University Information Communication Technology, Professor Eugene G. Ranho. Followed by the University Quality Assurance Director, Dr. Lawrence Anthony Doliente, who is an official trip. The Director of the Safety and Security Management Office, Professor Orlando Foro. He also heads the Physical Plant and Development Services Office in concurrent capacity. The Planning and Development Office, headed by Engineer Renel M. Alosilha. And the Gender and Development Focal Person, Professor Roslyn Clemen. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the heads of the offices under the Office of the President. I'm sorry, I omitted someone. The Director of the National Service Training Program, Professor Bonifacio C. Solsoloy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Debbie. And now to introduce to us the members of the Administration and Finance Unit, Sir Vice President Aimer Estilioso.
Good morning, everyone. There are 3 offices under the Vice President of Administration and Finance. First is the Financial Management Services, headed by Director Quinilin Durendes. Under Financial Management Services, there are 2 units. The accounting, after Quinilin Durendes, the supervising admin officer is Miss Charis Kiambao. Nandito ba si Charis? Okay, so director lang, no? But there are also 2 units under Financial Management Services, the accounting unit and the budget unit. Second office under the Vice President for Administration and Finance is the Office of Administrative Services, headed by Ms. Margie Galang. Miss or missed? Okay. Sige. And there are units under the Office of Administrative Services, the General Services Unit, the Cashiers Unit, the Supply and Property Unit, the Procurement Unit, and the Records Management and Archiving Unit. The third, under the Office of Vice President for Administration and Finance, is the Human Resource Management and Development Office, headed by the Director, Dr. Nerissa de la Viña. Okay? So pag may problema kayo related to pera, to PPMP and so on, ang head dyan ay si Director Quinilyn Durendes. Pag may problema kayo about mga carpentry, civil works, electrical, water, ang head dyan ay si Miss Margie Galang. At ang concerns ninyo ay about personnel concerns for faculty, for employees, for COS, for GO. Ang concern dyan ay si Dr. Nerissa de la Viña. So yan po, mga empowered women under the Vice President for Administration and Finance. Thank you and good morning.
And now, to introduce to us the members of the Research and Extension Unit, please help me welcome Vice President Debbie Marie Verzosa.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. So ang USM RDE or Research, Development and Extension Unit ang tumataguyod sa adhikain ng ating pamantasan na hindi lamang magbahagi ng kaalaman, pero maging manlilikha ng kaalaman, maging inventor at maging manunulat din ng kaalaman. So pahintulutan niyo po akong ipakilala ang mga units under the OVP RDE. Simulan po natin sa Research Publication Services Office ni Dr. Maria Chodora Cabasan. We also have the Extension Services Office headed by Dr. Glynn Magbanwa, who's on official travel. We also have the newest office in the RDE, the USM Intellectual Property Technology Transfer Business Development Office or USM IPTT-BDO, headed by Dr. Jalaluddin Maruhum for patenting. Okay. And the Research Development Office, headed by Dr. Lydia Pascual, who's also on official travel, and the USM Agricultural Research and Development Center, headed by Dr. Jerhamid C. Imlan, also on official travel. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. And now to introduce to us the members of the Resource Generation Entrepreneurial Services, Sir Vice President Samsudin Panday.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Ang Office of the Resource Generation Entrepreneur Services po ay katuwang ng ating mahal na Pangulo sa pamamahala ng mga kumikitang kabuhayan ng ating universidad. Ito po ay, kabilang dito ay ang University, Hospital, Health Services ng University, si Dr. Analea Lasaga. Pangalawa po is ang Director po ng ating Business Development Center, Director Kaharudin Manamba, kung saan siya po yung alam po natin na malapit na po yung ating founding anniversary and meron po siyang pwedeng ipagmalaki by then. That will be maybe by August, I think, third week ng September. Another one is Director ng ating Human Resource Development Training, Dr. Ma'am Tessie Lerios. Sila po yung kasama ko sa pamamahala ng ating resource generation activities dito sa ating mahal na pamantasan ng Katimugang Mindanao or University of Southern Mindanao. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, sir. And now to introduce to us our Academic Supports Unit, Sir Vice President Marcos F. Monderin.
For the Office of the Vice President for Academic Affairs, let me start with the campus heads. Our Chancellor from Kidapawan City Campus, Dr. Ronelyn Pinsoy. For our Palma Cluster Campus, Dr. Arnel Baladhay. For our Blang, Dr. Ayan Domingo. And soon to be opening our USM Antipas, Dr. Raji Makatabon. And for our deans at the main campus, let's start with the Dean of the College of Agriculture, Dr. Efren Magulama. So, yung mga first year, alam niyo naman siguro kung anong college kayo, di ba? So, yung taga-agriculture, ito ang magiging dean ninyo, si Dr. Magulama. Sa College of Arts and Social Sciences, ang inyong dean ay si Dr. Marlene Resurrection. Ang dean naman ng taga-College of Education, Dr. Cautin Escolano. Ang Dean ng College of Business, College of Business Development Economic Management, si Dr. Irving Pajarito. Ay, dito ako. Ang dean ng graduate school, si Dr. Florence Roy Salvania. Okay. Ang dean ng College of Medicine, si Dr. Luis Cecilia Balahaja, MD, to be represented by Dr. Buison. Ang Dean ng College of Law, si Attorney Freddy Bainosa III. Ang Dean ng College of Science and Mathematics, Dr. Philip Lester Benjamin. Ang Dean ng College of Engineering and Information Technology, Dr. Maricel Dayaday, mga taga-engineering. Ang Dean ng College of Human Ecology and Food Sciences, Dr. Orduca G. Nakar. Ang Dean ng College of Trades and Industries, Dr. Manuel Tayong. Ang Dean ng College of Veterinary Medicine, Dr. Elizabeth Molina. Ang Dean ng Institute of Middle East and Asian Studies, Dr. Abduldaser Makalogi. Ang Dean of College of Health Sciences, Dr. Tadeos Averilla. Ang Dean ng Institute of Sports, Physical Education and Recreation, Dr. Nords Martinez. Ang Dean, okay, yan na. Ang ating support offices kung saan na-organize ito. We have our Director for Office of Student Affairs, Dr. Marialeda Donke. Ang Director for Instruction, Dr. Lawrence Tandog. ang Director ng Admission and Records Office, Dr. Nelia Du. Ang Director ng Library, ang Learning Resource Center, Professor Susan Martinez. Okay. Wala na. Okay. Ito yung members ng academic unit. Yung principal ng ULS ay nasasakop ng College of Education. Okay? So, palakpakan natin ang miyembro ng ating matatag na samahan ng Akademya ng Pamantasan ng Katimugang Mindanao. Maraming salamat.
Well, thank you so much, sir. It is a way upon entering college to know who are those people that will mark a great significance in our journey. Well, for now, I think all of our students have prepared something for us. Siyempre, it is like a tradition for us to have that show off talents. Am I right, Reynald?
Yes, Bea. Nasaan ang College of Arts and Social Sciences?
Wow, prepared. Ayan. I am sure hindi magpapatalo tong college ko. College of Veterinary Medicine. Ayan.
Parang need pa ng isa pa, Bea.
Ganyan talaga yung namin partner yan. Ayan.
Nasaan ang CBDEM?
Ayan, let's go CBDEM, let's go. How about the College of Agriculture? CA lang sa kalam.
Nasaan ang College of Trades and Industry?
City. How about SEAT?
Wow, the best, the best. Nasaan ang College of Science and Mathematics?
Ayan. Well, of course, how about our freshies from IMIAS? Ayan.
Nasaan naman ang College of Education? Nasaan ang CMAS?
Well, of course, where are our students from the College of Health Sciences? And of course, hindi mo ba napapansin, Reynald, na may mga naka-uniforms tayo dito na students? Well, of course, where are our students from ULS?
Wow!
Magpapatalo ba ang Spear?
Yeah, baby!
Ayan. Mukhang naghanda sila, Bea. Ngayon naman, magkakaroon tayo ng intermission per college. Sino kaya ang gustong mauna?
Hanap. Ay, may nagre-react dito.
Ay, nasaan ang chips?
And before our intermission number, may we ask our deans to introduce to us our faculty and students.
Starting with our Dean from College of Arts and Social Sciences.
To the BOR representative, Dr. Pimentel, and to our president, and to my fellow deans and directors, good morning, and to the freshmen, and of course to the faculty members. I have the honor to present to you the faculty members from the College of Arts and Social Sciences. Meron pa po dito. And the students as well. Okay, thank you so much.
And now, our Dean from College of Agriculture.
Good morning to everyone, to the dignitaries on stage. May I have the honor to present the faculty members of the College of Agriculture. There are 40 faculty members in the College of Agriculture. May I ask to stand, please? Okay. Except for the one who is on her study leave. And there are also 4 support staff in the College of Agriculture. For the freshmen, there are actually 207 students from the College of Agriculture. Can you stand, please? Okay. Thank you very much.
And now, our college dean from College of Science and Mathematics.
The honorable members of the Board of Regents, our University President, Francisco Gil and Garcia. I have the honor to present our freshman students and faculty from the College of Science and Mathematics. They were also presented yesterday in our college orientation program. For our students, we have a total of 215 freshman students from the College of Science and Mathematics. Kindly stand for recognition. And a total of 60 faculty from the college, strong faculty from the College of Science and Mathematics. Kindly stand for recognition. 55 of them are permanent, and 10 COS faculty. Thank you.
And now, College Dean from College of Engineering and Information Technology.
My courtesy to the dignitaries on the stage. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. It's an honor and pride to present to you the faculty from the College of Engineering and Information Technology, the home of talented and producer of top-notchers, at the same time, the summer capital of the University of Southern Mindanao. Please stand faculty from the College of Engineering and Information Technology and our students. Please stand for recognition. Thank you.
And now, the Dean from the College of Human Ecology and Food Sciences. Again, our Dean from the College of Human Ecology and Food Sciences.
Honorable members of the Board of Regents, our dynamic President, Francisco Hill and Garcia, PhD, Deans and Directors, faculty and staff, students, a pleasant morning from the College of Human Ecology and Food Sciences. I am honored to present to you the faculty and staff as well as the freshmen students of the College of Human Ecology and Food Sciences. We have 22 faculty, 15 of them are permanent, while 7 are COS. May I request the faculty of chefs to please rise. Okay, thank you very much. We have also 5 staff, 1 clerk, 2 utility worker, and 2 laboratory aides. I do not have the exact number of our students, freshmen, but we have 2 sections of Bachelor of Science in Nutrition and Dietetics. May I request you to please stand? 2 sections of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. We have also 2 sections of Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management and 1 section of Bachelor of Science in Food Technology. I would like also to inform, thank you very much. I would like also to inform everybody that we have 1 faculty who just finished her doctoral degree of Doctor of Management, no other than Dr. Abigail Roy S. Roy. May I request you to please stand, ma'am? Wala siya. Okay, and yun po. Thank you very much.
And now, our Dean from College of Trades and Industries.
To the members of the Administrative Council, Mr. President, Dr. Francisco Hill and Garcia, I have the honor to present the faculty members as well as the freshman students from the College of Trades and Industries. For the faculty members, we have 25 strong faculty, 10 permanent and 15 permanent and 10 COS. For the freshman students, kindly stand up, faculty members from the College of Trades and Industries. And then for the students, for the first time in the history of CTI, our freshman students have 12 sections. 9 sections for the Bachelor of Industrial Technology and 3 sections from the Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education. Thank you.
And now our Dean from the College of Veterinary Medicine, to be followed by the Deans from the College of Business, Development, Economics, and Management, Institute of Middle East and Asian Studies, College of Health Sciences, Institute of Sports, Physical Education and Recreation, and College of Education.
Good morning, everyone. I have the honor to present the faculty from the College of Veterinary Medicine. We are a small but terrible college. We are only 17 faculty with 11 permanent faculty. Can you please stand up? And we have 6 COS faculty from the Department of Veterinary Technology. Please stand up. And we have 1 faculty who is on his PhD in Thailand. And we have only 1 section of DVM and veterinary technology, so you know that it's very difficult to enter our college. Please stand up, my dear students. So these are the students who compose the cream of the crop of the university. Good morning.
My respect to the dignitaries on stage. Allow me to present the faculty and the students from the College of Business, Development, Economics, and Management. Yun po, sir. May I request the faculty members to please rise? We have 23 permanent faculty members. We have 9 contract of service, and we have 11 part-timers. By the way, let me also present the 3 new doctoral degree holders from CBDEM. Dr. Kathleen Ivy C. Bulotaulo, Dr. Roy Gacus, and Dr. Helen A. Makailing. Congratulations, Batch 2024. Thank you. Allow me to present also the students. We have 444 freshman students. Overall, CBDEM has 1,718 students. Thank you.
Members of the Board of Regents present, the President of this University, Dr. Francisco Hill Garcia, members of the Administrative Council, faculty, my dear students, presenting to you the faculty of the Institute of Middle East and Asian Studies. Where are you? Please rise. Faculty. Okay, we have 14 able faculty from the Institute of Middle East and Asian Studies, 4 from Bachelor of Science in International Relations, and 10 from the Bachelor of Arts in Islamic Studies. And we have 4 COS. A total of 14 faculty members. And I would like also to introduce to you the freshmen from the Institute of Middle East and Asian Studies, 2 sections of the Bachelor of Arts in Islamic Studies. Where are you? Please rise. Bachelor of Arts in Islamic Studies. Sana kayo? Okay. From the Bachelor of Science in International Relations, also 2 sections. Thank you very much.
Esteemed members of the Board of Regents, our President, Dr. Francisco Gil Garcia, members of the Administrative Council, it is with great pride and honor that I present to you the faculty members and students of the College of Health Sciences. This is the college that offers bachelor's degree in nursing, BS Pharmacy, and BS Midwifery. Kindly stand if you are able to be recognized, my faculty members and the freshman students up the bleachers. Kindly stand, please, to be recognized. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Thank you very much.
To our dear President, a member of the Board of Regents, allow me to present to you the strong, beautiful, and sexy faculty member from the Institute of Sports Physical Education. Please rise. And also our students from the Institute of Sports Physical Education and Recreation. Thank you very much.
To the dignitaries on stage, good morning. Allow me to present the students from the College of Education and the University Laboratory School. Let me start with the faculty and students of the Junior and Senior High School of the University Laboratory School. Please stand up. Students and faculty. Next is the 29 permanent faculty members of the College of Education and 1 contract of service. Please stand up, faculty. And also 5 sections of the Bachelor of Secondary Education representing the different major field. Please stand up. 2 sections of the Bachelor of Elementary Education, and 1 section of the Bachelor of Early Childhood Education. Thank you.
And now for external campuses, Chancellor and Directors. May I call on Chancellor from USM KCC, Ma'am Ronilyn F. Pinsoy, to be followed by Campus Director of P. Palma, Sir Ardnel A. Balajay, PhD.
Members of the Board of Regents present, our University President, Dr. Francisco Gil N. Garcia, our 4 Vice Presidents, members of the Administrative Council, faculty and staff, students, isang mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat. I have the honor to present in absentia from the University of Southern Mindanao, Kidapawan City Campus. This school year, we have 3,725 enrolled students. We have 1,225 for our freshmen, and we have 199 strong and dynamic faculty. Faculty and staff, I mean. Thank you and good morning.
And now our Campus Director from P. Palma, starting off, Sir Arnel A. Balajay, to be followed by Sir Ian Leo S. Domingo, PhD, to be followed by Dr. Raje Makataban.
To the members of the Board of Regents present, to our beloved President, Dr. Francisco Gil N. Garcia, it is my honor to introduce, same with KCC in absentia, the faculty and students from the USM Palma cluster campuses. For the Libungan campus, we have around 250 freshman students representing the Associate in Agriculture, the HM, two sections for criminology, and one section for the secondary education major in English. We also have one program for the Alyosan campus, the Bachelor of Elementary Education with two sections, and the total population for Palma is around 1,025 students. With me, I have 11 permanent faculty and 17 contract of service faculty members. So, mabuhay from USM Palma cluster campuses.
To the Board of Regents present, to our dear President, Dr. Francisco Gil N. Garcia, sir. On behalf of the University of Mindanao Mlang Campus, I am proud to announce that we have 36 freshman students from USM Mlang, and we have third year and fourth year students as well. So we would like to thank our Department of Criminal Justice Education for providing us 10 faculty for USM Mlang Campus. That's all.
Ang aking paggalang sa mga Board of Regents na present ngayong umaga, sa Administrative Council, sa mga faculty and staff, ang aking karangalan ay ipabatid sa inyo na ang bagong USM Antipas Campus ay bukas na at meron tayong 17 students na kumukuha ng Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. Maraming salamat po.
And now, once again, our College Dean from Graduate School, Ma'am Florence Roy P. Salvania, PhD, to be followed by College of Law Attorney Ronilyn Pinsoy, PhD.
To the members of the Board of Regents present, to our University President, Dr. Francisco Gil N. Garcia, to the members of the Administrative Council, faculty members, and students, good morning. So the University Graduate School is offering 35 graduate degree programs with a strong and able 117 graduate school faculty. Please stand. Yan po, we have 117 graduate school faculty. Maraming salamat po.
And now from the Dean in our College of Law, represented by Dr. Ronalyn Pinsoy.
For the College of Law of the university is actually a part of the university main campus in Cabacan. But it is located, the building is located only in USM Kidapawan City Campus. And we have 20 faculty members who are part-time, who are teaching. Most of them are judges and state prosecutors. And we have one dean who is actually manning the College of Law.
Thank you so much to our University Modern Dance Troupe.
Well, I hope our freshers are here, inspired and all packed up in their college journey.
I am sure they already are, Reynald. So to close this program, let us hear the closing remarks of our very own Vice President of Academic Affairs, Sir Elmer M. Estelioso, Ed.D.
Esteemed members of the Board of Regents present, our dynamic President, Dr. Francisco Gil and Garcia, my co-vice presidents, si Professor Marcos Monderin, ang ating Vice President for Academic Affairs. Ako, Vice President for Administration and Finance. At ang pangalan ko, Aimer M. Estelioso, hindi Elmer. Pinaghirapang isipin niya ng mga magulang ko. Deans, directors, faculty, staff, students who are the most important persons for this week's events. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. So to formally close the program for this morning, I would like to give you important values that you will learn from this event that we are doing that may guide you in the years that you are here in the walls of the university. Unang value, being prepared and organized. Bakit natin ginagawa ito? Para magsimula kayo ng maayos. Magsimula ang journey nyo sa USM ng maayos. Para alam nyo ang mga building ng USM, offices ng USM, classrooms ng USM, para pagsakay nyo sa tricycle, hindi kayo magsabi na, Manong, pakihatid po ako sa TBA. Yung TBA, to be arranged yon. No? Okay? Kung wala pang classroom, tapos hahanapan pa, to be arranged. So why is it important to be prepared and organized? Because as you journey towards finishing your degree programs here in the university, you will face rigorous trainings in your academic trainings or academic undertakings. Being prepared and organized in your tasks will help you handle these difficulties and challenges. Now, it's important for you students to organize your tasks para mas madali at the end of 3 years or 3.5 years, dapat makagraduate kayo. Dapat walang extension. Kaya ba yon, students? Palakpakan natin ating mga sarili. Second is awareness. No? The value of awareness, being aware of the people and offices that can help you while you are in the university. So, ngayong week, magkakaroon kayo ng orientations. Sino-sino ang mga opisyales ng university, ano-ano ang mga opisina na pwede nyong lapitan kapag may mga problema kayo. No? The university wants your life in USM to be meaningful and memorable. Kaya dapat alam nyo, kung may mga problema kayo, alam nyo kung sinong lalapitan. Number 3, the value that I would like to share with you that will guide you is grit. G-R-I-T, grit. Grit or the resilience and determination to achieve your goals no matter what the circumstances are. Okay? Winners are just losers who tried again and succeed. Kaya pwedeng mapagod pero hindi pwedeng sumuko. Tama? Pwedeng mapagod pero hindi pwedeng sumuko. That's grit. And last but not the least, the most important value is belief in God and belief in yourself. Okay? So kaya nyo yan. Kaya, nandito ang USM to support you, the administration. Ang USM ang bahala sa mga facilities, sa libre na kayo lahat. Ang gagawin nyo lang ay mag-aral. Kaya dapat natatapos ninyo sa tamang panahon. So, freshmen, we hope na 3 years or 3.5 years from now, ay nandyan na kayo for your graduation. Congratulations in advance and good morning.
Thank you, sir. That was our Vice President for Administration and Finance, Dr. Aimer Estelioso.
And now I'm requesting everyone to please rise for the singing of our USM hymn.